can see now I wanted an album with the title Stormbringer. That's the only one I want, and that's the only one I got. So if you so to understand this better, if you want to reference, if you want to like pass data from the view, from the controller to the view, you can throw that data into a view bag and access it by using the same name of the view bag. That's important. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Let's just pass more of these guys, all the queries. So just my name is different, albums by artist. So we have to remember the name we used. If we go to this here, let's create two more drop downs. And remember the genre one has to be filtered and also arranged in a descending order by the title. So that's our requirement. Let's see how that goes. So here we can see that the genre is sorted in the reverse descending order, A down and W up. This seemed to have like only one entry, and this one has one entry. So my the queries are here, and I am actually able to see my data from my database inside my drop down list. And the way I did it, just to reiterate, is using the view bag, right? So this is one way to do it. The next one, let's look at, instead of using the link query that we did here, it is also possible to use helper function. And we are not new to helper function because this actually is a helper function or an extension function. Instead of writing this query, we can actually say as simple as that. See, this is like so intuitive, right? How about this one? So this will be based on artist name, right? So let's just take all this out. We can say albums. So this is not just the album's title, right? Here we want to get the artist associated with the album, so we have to like call that object and then say the name of the artist there. Third one. So this has a couple things, right? We have to also sort. So let's do that. Albums. Then order by descending. Again, we have to say by what we are ordering. By what field are we ordering? Title. We are saying order by the album's title in a descending order. Okay, so again the first two should return only one row, and this has to be sorted in the descending order with all the classical genres. So these are the extension methods. Just to give you an idea, what's the difference between link and link extensions. Okay. So this doesn't have to change because everything is the same. So this has to work exactly the same way like before.